Good morning, everyone. I'm Mrs. BP with FSM 40. So I will be your teacher for this morning. I'm going to discuss about my lesson plan and daily to prepare salad dressing specifically for salad. So I'll start. Okay, so everybody's checked home already. Salad done. And let's all stand up to start the day right. Meditate up. Prayer in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning, class. Okay, hep hep, hooray! Again. Hep hep, hooray! Hep hep, hooray! Oh, what an energy! Please maintain that energy throughout our discussion. How are you today? Oh, good to know that you are all fine. So I know you're excited to sit down, but please pick up those pieces of trash under your chairs. Okay. Now arrange your chairs. Make sure it's aligned. And let us check your attendance. Say present if your name is called. Abata, Anoos, Asne, Kadampog. Okay. Everybody's present. Let's give a hand to everyone. Okay, so now a new day, a new topic. But who can give us a recall regarding our previous lesson? Okay, Nessa. Exactly. It's all about the tools and utensils and equipment needed in preparing salad. So what is salad again? Okay, Navarro. Thank you. Now can you name at least five tools and equipment needed in preparing salad? Okay, Barrios. You mentioned about knives. Who can give you the definition of it? Oh, okay. Navarro again. Okay, so if I am going to peel off a certain vegetable or remove the outer skin, what tool should I use? Okay, Noya Peeler, that's right. What a sharp memory you have, class. So any questions or clarifications before I proceed? No, ma'am. Okay, so now I have here some pictures to show you. Okay, now what I want you to do is to look at the pictures carefully. Okay, so are you familiar with the pictures? Mhm. Okay, so what are your observations? Yes, Miss Kadampo. Exactly. So it's like desserts or mainly salads. Okay, so the pictures is just actually a teaser for our topic this morning. Are you all excited? Okay, but before that, let's read first the learning objectives so that we will be guided throughout our discussion. Okay, so at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to, let's all read number one, identify the different classification of salad. Number two, describe the characteristics of salad according to their functions in the meal and ingredients used. So we must attain these objectives throughout discussion for this morning. Okay, so before that, I know you're all excited, but let's have first an activity. So you will be grouped into three. So let's start counting. One, two, three. Start from here. One, two, three. Okay, go to your respective groupings now. Okay, so you have your groupings. Yeah, you're now. So what I want you to do is to identify the classification of the following types of salads and give its characteristics and write it in a one full sheet of paper. Okay, so let you'll make just like this, okay? Two columns. The first column is the classification of salad according to their functions in the meal, and the second column is classification of salad according to ingredients used. So you only have 5 minutes to do the activity, and later on Each group must have a representative to present their work in the class. Remember, you need just to identify its classification and give just a short characteristics about those types of salad you mentioned. Okay, so you have here group one, here's your salad topic, group two and group three. Okay. Okay, time is up, time is up. Group one, two, three, please be ready. Okay, so let's start first with group one. Okay, group one, very good. Let's give a hand to group one. Now, group two. Okay, group two, very good. Let's give another hand to group two. Now, last group. Group three, okay, please be ready. Okay. Good job, well done, class. Let's give a hand to everybody. Okay, so among those types of salad you mentioned, which of those have you already tried? Appetizer salad, okay, okay, dessert, gelatin. Okay, very good. So, can you give us short characteristics about the salad you mentioned? Okay, appetizer salad. Yes, correct. Achara is an example of it. Yes, it stimulates the appetite. And of course, fruit salad. Of course, it's made from the main ingredients is fruit salad. Okay, so I guess you're all ready with our discussion for this morning about classification of salad. About the classification of salad. Very good. Classification of salad. Okay. But have you ever wondered why salad should be classified? It is because of the number and varieties of salad combination that is nearly endless. That's why it's important to classify them according to their functions in the meal and ingredients used. So there are two classifications of salad. First is according to their functions in the meal and ingredients used. So let's start first with the classification of salad according to their functions in the meal. So we have here appetizer salad. So any idea what is an appetizer salad? Okay, Miss Kavintoy. Thank you. So appetizer salad, just like what you said, it stimulates the appetite, which has a fresh, crisp ingredients, tangy, flavorful dressing, and attractive, appetizing appearance. Okay, sorry for that, class. Appetizing appearance. Okay, so an example of appetizer salad is achara, very own achara. And of course, we have kinilaw. Okay, so appetizer salad in our local language, it is called pampagana. Sorry for that again, class. It is not sticky. Okay, pampagana. So it is pampagana. It awakens the sleeping giant in your stomach. Okay, so another one we have accompaniment salad. So who can read? Okay, so accompaniment salad should balance and harmonize with the rest of the meal like any other meal. Example of accompaniment salad is simple green salad. Now, number three, we have side dish salad. So, should be light and flavorful. Not too much vegetable salad are often good choices. Example of side dish salad is can also be appetizer. Appetizer can also be a side dish salad. It's a good pair for lechon. Okay. Now we have the main course salad. So any idea what is main course salad? Okay, so this is the center. Okay, and centro sa atong kabusganan. Very good. So it should be large enough to serve as a full meal and should contain substantial portion of protein. So it must have a protein. Example of main course salad is chicken potato salad. Okay, very good. And now let's have another one. Okay, we have here separate course salad. So who can read of separate course salad? Okay, must be very light without filling. Rich heavy dressings such as sour cream and mayonnaise should be avoided, and it is served after the main course class. It is served after the main course. So always remember that it is served after the main course. So example of separate course salad is green salad. Yes, green salad. And lastly, we have dessert salad. So dessert salad is very common to us. So it's usually sweet and may contain items such as fruits, sweetened gelatin, nuts, and cream. So example of dessert salad, yes, ice cream. Hello, hello. Yes, just like when we eat in a sun after eating and the rice, we ordered hello, hello. Because if we have pampangana, which is appetizer, we also have pampawasan, which is dessert. Okay, so again, what are the six classification of salad according to their functions in the meal? Okay, we have appetizer, okay, and dessert salad. So now, let's move on with our second classification of salad according to ingredients used. We have here first green salad. Kindly read what is green salad. Okay, so green salad should be fresh. It doesn't mean it's green salad, it must all be green. As you can observe in the picture, there are some carrots, tomatoes. Okay, so it must be fresh. Because who likes eating green salad is soggy. Okay, now for number two, okay, we have vegetables, grain, and okay, we have vegetable, green legumes, and pasta salads. So our salad whose main ingredients are vegetables other than lettuce or other leafy greens. So as you can serve, it is a mix of ingredients. It has some rice, vegetables, and pasta mix all together. So the third one is bound salad. So who can read what is bound salad? So of course, okay, so it is also a mixture of food that is held together and bound with a dressing. What types of dressing it is a mayonnaise. Okay, very good. It is mayonnaise. Now the fourth one, fruit salad, which is very common to us. So it contains fruits as their main ingredients, like appetizer salad or dessert salad. The example of fruit salad is egg salad. Okay, very good. So it's composed of fruits. Okay, we sometimes add some condensed to make it more sweeter. And we have number five, composed salad. So made by arranging two or more elements attractively on a plate. So always remember that composed salad is not mixed. It is arranged according to their ingredients. And they are called composed because they are arranged just like what I said. It is arranged. And lastly, we have lastly, the gelatin salad. So what is gelatin salad? So most gelatin salads are made with sweetened prepared mixes with artificial color and flavor, but sometimes professional cooks use to prepare salads using unflavored gelatins. So this you can buy some gelatins powdered in the store. Okay, and just mix it, then we can have our gelatin salad. Okay. So we already discussed the classification of salad. Again, what are the classification of salad according to their functions in the meal? Okay, very good. Now, how about the classification of salad according to ingredients used? Okay, very good. So if we are going to think about those classification of salad, what is the importance of knowing those classification of salad? Yes, Mr. Kataa. Okay, another answer. Very good. So why do we need to know the characteristics of those salads you mentioned? Okay, Noya. Okay, thank you. Another one. Okay, who has another idea? Okay, Atago. Thank you very much. So, any questions or clarifications with our lesson for today? Okay, no ma'am. So, if you don't have question, then I will be the one to give you a question. Okay, so I want you to prepare a 1/4 sheet of paper. Yes, so you hear it right. A 1/4 sheet of paper. I will dictate the question since it's only a 5-item quiz. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so please listen carefully and write first the questions. Okay, number one, a type of salad that components arranged on a plate rather than being mixed. Okay, and again, a type of salad that the components are arranged on the plate rather than being mixed. Okay, number two. Number three. Okay, again, number three. Okay, last number five. So describe the function of an appetizer salad. Again, describe the function of an appetizer salad. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to answer that. Okay, very good. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to answer that. Okay, very good. Now time is up. Ballpens up. Okay, pass your papers in front. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. So now, let's test your knowledge. Have here another activity. Okay, so let's read the direction. Sustain the answer for the questions asked. Write it in column B. For column C, draw a star if the salad is classified according to their functions in the meal, and heart if it classified according to ingredients used. And write it in a one whole sheet of paper. Again, write it in a one whole sheet of paper. Copy and answer. Copy and answer. Okay, is it clear, class? I'll give you 5 minutes to finish this activity. Okay, so thank you everyone. But before that, I will give you your assignment for the next meeting, of course. So your assignment is to make an album of the different kinds of salad with pictures and recipe listed. You need to give at least one example of a recipe. So you will be rated according to this rubric. So 5 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. Let's all read. Okay, so if your work is artistically and creatively done with full illustration and pictures of the recipe, then you will be given 5 points. So, and if it's done untimely with few illustrations only and pictures of the recipe, then you will be given 1 point. So at least you still have points. So okay, is everything clear? Okay. So thank you everyone for coming here in school and listening to our discussion. And now let's have our closing prayer in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Goodbye, class. See you next meeting. Okay, don't forget, guys. We'll be submitted next meeting. Okay, goodbye.